So this is the reality of living in a camper. The camper was truly spotless an hour ago, and I wanted to cook breakfast, so I cooked breakfast for James, his dad and his uncle, and then our 2 boys and myself, obviously. And like most moms, I ate a cold breakfast, and that's fine. But this place gets messy so fast. I'll show you this. It's unbelievable. It's just stuff everywhere. Now there's all these dishes, all the coffee stuff is out, the stuff I have to get out to make the food. Ah! And this is just from one meal. So yes, living in a confined space does get very messy very easily.
Bonus room. This wall is going to separate the bonus room and one of the bedrooms. So right now I've got a bottom plate and a top plate, and basically I'm just marking 16 on center. Now if you're a real carpenter, there's special ways to mark it, but I like just to put a line right where the center is, and then I'll just center up my 2x4. So right here, if you come in real close right here, we got a stud on either side, and we got what's called a wall here. Basically, we're just going to build a T inside the wall, and then you're going to have another wall going from right here over this direction. This helps tie in your other walls. It just helps you save some lumber. It gets you a nice solid tie-in point for extra walls.
We gotta build this chimney.
What's a chimney?
A chimney is where the smoke comes out the fireplace and goes out to the atmosphere.
Fills up your house.
We are gonna build this chimney. I mean, so.
Chimney's 26 feet high.
What are we going to go get? Say pizza!
Pizza and ice cream.
And ice cream, you're right. We got a bunch of people at the house today working on the roof, and they're hungry, and since we live in the middle of nowhere, there is no pizza place that delivers to us. So I have to go pick it up, so I'm gonna pick it up. What are they making?
They're making a cricket.
Explain what that is.
It diverts the rain off of the chimney.
Good job. Babe, say hi.
Good investment. Good investment.
What are you doing?
Well, putting up some bracing in the trusses because Mike told me to. right across the
Long way down.
Yeah, somebody, I don't know if it was a quad or somebody was driving and they bumped them turkey. They flew up into them woods up there.
I'll be darned.
There's a lot of turkey around here.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, one had your cut for me. Yep. That's an old turkey. It's
An old turkey.
That's one of them old Toms. Yeah. What you doing, Courtney, Jessica, Renee?
Taking videos of this hardworking guy. Hey guys, so it is extremely hot outside today. It's 5:30, it's a work night. James got home from work and immediately, of course, goes over to the house and starts working by himself on stuff. And it's 96 degrees outside. It's brutal. There you go. You can hold it. You're making footprints in the dust? Good. Stop it. James has almost made it the entire length of the driveway. Yeah. Over here is the water. So we got this much further to go.
I'm ready to be done digging. Taking way too long.
Tommy, whose tractor is this?
Daddy's tractor.
What kind of tractor is it?
Mahindra tractor.
Mahindra tractor, good job.
This is what the house looks like when it rains. What are you doing, hon?
Sweeping out the water.
What are you doing, baby? Watching mommy? This flooring is Advantech flooring. They guarantee it for over 500 days of rain. So hopefully we have no issues, but
I still don't like the water sitting on it.
it's still never a good feeling to have a couple inches of water sitting on top of your subfloor. So back here it seemed to stay dry. I'm guessing the second floor's got some water on it. But that side's got a roof on it, but the weather comes in from this direction, blows over here. So all of that still accumulated a bunch of water.
My shoes are getting wet.
Courtney's doing a good job. Keep up the good work and don't stop.
Thanks, babe. It's the monsoon. James is adding the sheathing to this bottom part of the house. He's already done this part. There's rocks in your shoes? Okay, I'll help you get them out. Rocks in your shoes.
Yeah. Don't walk in my shoes.
Levi. Levi? Levi, are you watching? Yeah. Are you watching Daddy work? Hi, Levi. Elias, what you doing?
Playing in the mud.
Yeah, playing in the water and the mud. That looks fun. What's Levi doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Go, Eli, go! Ready, set, go! Woohoo! What are you two doing?
We're riding a horse.
Are you riding Tiger Lily? Good job.
That cricket in my garage, I've been feeding it cat food, and that thing is beefed up.
Okay.
But it ain't nothing like that cricket up there.
Here's our cricket on our house. Look at how much wood this thing has. It's ridiculous. Hi, babe.
Hi.
I'm harnessed off.
You better be. Thought you fell earlier.
I know. I was up here and I went, woo! When Mike threw down a piece of wood and he thought I fell, and I've never seen James look so nervous in my life.